RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars is an American reality competition edition of the original RuPaul's Drag Race series, made as All-Star and spin-off, which is produced by World of Wonder for Logo TV and later VH1. The show premiered on October 22, 2012 on Logo TV, before relocating to VH1. However, it was announced on February 20, 2020 on the show's official Twitter account that the fifth season would premiere on June 5, 2020 on Showtime. Following the cast announcement on May 8, 2020, producers announced that the show would remain airing on VH1 instead of Showtime due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused various scheduling and programming adjustments. The show documents RuPaul inviting past queens that proven themselves to have had the most successful careers once leaving the original show. Like the original show, RuPaul plays the role of host, mentor, and head judge for this series, as contestants are given different challenges each week. RuPaul's Drag Race employs a panel of judges, currently including RuPaul, Michelle Visage, Carson Kressley and Ross Matthews, and a host of other guest judges who critique contestants' progress throughout the competition. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.